In the previous chapter's lesson, we learned about the purposes, usage methods, and precautions of common electrical tools. In this lesson, we will continue our study on the usage of common electrical instruments. Among them, the multimeter is the most widely used instrument in the field of electronic and electrical technology. It is also an essential tool for maintenance electricians. Every electrical worker should be proficient in understanding its principles and usage. The multimeter can measure voltage, current, and resistance, and it can also be used to determine the condition of various components. It is indeed a helpful assistant for maintenance electricians. During the learning process of this lesson, we will be divided into 4 sections. The first section is the course goals. The second section covers the usage of common electrical instruments. The third section involves the course summary, and the fourth section consists of post-lesson exercises. The course goals of this session are to master the usage and precautions of multimeters by measuring common physical quantities such as voltage, current, and resistance. 1. Multimeter. Also known as a voltommilliammeter, voltometer, or VOM. Multimeters can be divided into 2 main categories: analog multimeters and digital multimeters. Multimeters are essential measurement instruments for electronic and electrical-related tasks. They are versatile and offer multiple ranges for measurement. Their primary functions include measuring direct current voltage, direct current, alternating current voltage, alternating current, and resistance. Next, we will become acquainted with a digital multimeter by watching a hands-on video. We will learn how to use it to measure resistance, alternating current voltage, direct current voltage, and also how to determine the continuity of a conductor. Hello everyone, in this lesson, we will be covering the usage of a digital multimeter. This content is applicable to the major in construction equipment installation. Requirements for operating a digital multimeter. 1. Ensure that all tools and equipment are prepared. 2. Use tools and equipment correctly. 3. Adhere to safety operating procedures. 1. Preparation. 1 digital multimeter. 4 1.5 volt dry batteries. 1 resistor. 1 miniature bulb. 1 power strip. 1 roll of insulating tape. 1 wire. Two. Operating steps. Operating steps. 1. Introduction to the digital multimeters panel. 2. Measuring resistance. 3. Measuring alternating current voltage. 4. Measuring direct current voltage. 5. Measuring direct current. 6. Using the continuity test mode. 1. Introduction to the digital multimeter panel. The panel is divided into 3 areas: the measurement value display area, the range and scale area, and the measurement probe insertion area. Measurement value display area. This area primarily displays the measured values using Arabic numerals. Range and scale area. This area includes settings for direct current voltage, alternating current voltage, direct current, continuity test, and resistance. Each range corresponds to a specific measurement value. If the magnitude of the measurement is unknown, it's advisable to start with the highest range to avoid damaging the multimeter. Measurement probe insertion area. The multimeter is equipped with 2 measurement probes, usually colored red and black. When measuring voltage, current, or resistance, the red probe is inserted into the volt-ohm milliampere jack, and the black probe is inserted into the coulomb jack. If measuring high currents, insert the red probe into the 10 amperes jack, while keeping the black probe in the same position. 2. Measuring resistance. Select the resistance range, with a maximum range of 200 megabytes. Insert the red probe into the volt-ohm milliampere jack and the black probe into the coulomb jack. Measure both ends of the resistor directly with a red and black probe, and then look at the display area to read it. If the value is too small, for better measurement accuracy, switch to a smaller range until the reading is appropriate. Three, measuring alternating current voltage. Choose the alternating current voltage range with a maximum range of 600 volts. Insert the red probe into the volt-ohm milliampere jack and the black probe into the COM jack. Place the red and black probes into the two holes of the socket. Read the displayed value on the screen. 4. Measuring direct current voltage. Choose the direct current voltage range with a maximum range of 600 volts. Insert the red probe into the volt-ohm milliampere jack and the black probe into the COM jack. Place the red and black probes on the positive and negative terminals of a dry battery. Read the displayed value on the screen. If the value is too small, for better measurement accuracy, switch to a smaller range until the reading is appropriate. Five. Measuring direct current. Select the current range with a maximum range of 10 amperes. Insert the red probe into the 10A jack and the black probe into the COM jack. First, break the circuit containing the miniature bulb. Connect the red and black probes in series with the circuit containing the small light bulb. Read the displayed value on the screen. 6. Using the continuity test mode. In electrical circuits, this mode is primarily used to determine whether a conductor is continuous, intact, or broken. Choose the continuity test mode. Insert the red probe into the volt-ohm milliampere jack and the black probe into the COM jack. Place the red and black probes at both ends of the conductor. If the conductor is continuous, intact, the display will show the resistance value of the conductor, and the multimeter will emit a beeping sound, beep. If the conductor is broken, the display will show 1 or 0L, and the multimeter will remain silent. Precautions. 1. Pay attention to inserting the red and black probes into the correct jacks. 2. Choose the appropriate measurement range when conducting measurements. 3. Select the correct range for measuring different physical quantities. Okay. Let's recall the most widely used multimeter in electrical instruments learned in this lesson. 1. Multimeters can be classified into two main categories: analog multimeters and digital multimeters. 2. Multimeters can be used to measure direct current voltage, direct current, alternating current voltage, alternating current, resistance, and to test the continuity of conductors. 3. Precautions for using a digital multimeter. A. Ensure that the red and black probes are inserted into the correct jacks. B. Choose the appropriate measurement range when conducting measurements. C. Select the correct range for measuring different physical quantities. That concludes this lesson. Thank you, everyone.